How many of you ever tried to play a game that you didn't know how to play? You ever tried that? You know one thing I used to like to do when I was young? I used to like to play tic-tac-toe. And I would always try to play against somebody I know had never played tic-tac-toe before. And y'all know after a certain point of playing that game over and over, you get strategies. You know where to put the X's and the O's, where the person make the wrong move. You know you're going to beat them. And they were trying to figure out, how did they beat me? How did they do that? And I tried to think it out. I tried to make sure they didn't. You knew you had an unfair advantage because you knew the game. You knew where you could put them X's and put them O's and win the game. You knew this person didn't know all the rules of the game. So the playing field ain't equal. So in that scenario, the winner is always going to be the one who know the game. Let's take that analogy and let's bring it to life. I hate to tell you, a lot of you playing this game called life and you don't know the rules. That's a setup for a let up.